Right, we're going to lead turn. I don't see him checking back a flush draw, and we can have flushes ourselves in this spot. So we are going to 3-bet the turn. Nice. But I just don't see him checking back flush draws, so I think we have the range advantage in that spot. We open kings. We're going to 3-bet. On this turn card, we are going to double barrel. And we're going to check back. Good guess. This has to be shove. Just need a queen. Boom. Come on. Facing a 3-bet with aces, we're going to just call. It's a really good flop. It does choose a large sizing though on this kind of a board texture, which is not something I'd expect. So we're going to call. Guess we just call now. Call. Pocket nines. I'm going to open up deuce 5 here. Not too bad of a flop. Facing a lead, I'm going to look to just call this. So he's trying to represent king jack, queen jack here. So queen jack now improves. So it's a bad card for me to try to bluff him now. Yeah, he's got king jack. Yeah, I didn't like the queen. If it was not a queen or a king, we were going to be bluffing river there. You're going to see that. Versus check raise and backdoor nut draws, we are going to continue versus this sizing. Check back the turn. Right, so now we just need to target his king x hand, as we would bluff with our 7-8 of spades. Good. And he had king x. Definitely going to be betting twice here versus his queen jacks, king jacks, flush draws. I don't think we need to bet too big here. Alright, guess we have to target his ace-x hands now. Right, nice. Let's hope he uses it for me and not for someone else. Right, I'm going to see bet. Alright, you could have a hand like pocket 7s, pocket 9s, and 2 overs and a flush draw. Or just like a top pair. Good, nice hands. Alright, so we limp called ace-8 suited here. We're going to check call. Really good turn card. And we are going to lead here because I think he's going to check back quite often here if we do check. So we don't need to bet too big here with our value as we would with our bluffs. So he had jack deuce. Are we going to play an 80 big blind pot versus the gun, this bounty? I think we're going to have to go for it, the bounty. I think 10s. Let's just go for it. Yeah, we're not gonna fold. Boom! Come on. We'd love to see a squeeze here. Okay. Let's check this flop. We're going to delay c-bet here. We still have a decent amount of equity versus 10x. and we still beat all draws, like Jack 9. We're on the FT bubble, but we're not folding Ace King here. Right, good luck, chat. Got some hope with the Jack. And I'm really good at calling cards. It's quite a big sizing. Call, representing the hand that he beats. I think we just call. Nice. We're going to delay c-bet. Yeah. We're only just calling here all the time. It's either repping flush or a queen x hand, king x hand. So we are going to jam with the nut flush. And pray he doesn't have pocket eights. Good luck. Boom. We're obviously going to just call. We have decent equity versus this 5x hands. Don't expect king x hands to be betting. I'm thinking about making the hero here. He's got busted hearts. This bet just means he doesn't have a king anymore. So he's less likely to have hands that beat us. Nice. Boom. Yeah, king x hands I expect to be checking there. So if he checks, we'd have to bluff because repeat that when he bets, he no longer has a king x anymore now, so he's more weighted towards bluffs. Which is why we made the hero. Right, boys, we've made our first FT of today. Let's go. It's good flop. I think on this turn card, we check back. Just snap call here. Good. Right, we're going to check call at least once. Right, we're definitely going to be leading the river here as a bluff. Good. So we are going to come in for the 3-bet. Let's hope the chip lead was trapping with a hand like kings, queens. Wow, he just called. You see a dream spot now. Right, this could be a big pot, chat. Right, good luck us. Wow, come on, boys. Ah, what? Ah, no way. I'm just gonna jam tens. Right, got called by jacks. 10. Right, GG, 22 bounty. Right, pretty easy shove. Right, big flip. Doesn't go our way. Nice hand. Right, we've got ace king again, which we're going to call off. Another flip. And it looks like we're going to be using this flip as well. Oh well. GG, 33 bounty. Things can change so quickly. Right, we're going to go for it, guys. Turn two pair. Yeah, so we weren't trying to get that to fold. Right, guys. Thanks for joining the stream. It's been a bit of a roller coaster. Did have some massive stacks, but then got pretty unlucky. But yeah, that's how it goes.